Good morning, student. Let us see exercise 5.1, question number 11. Show that following points are collinear. There are two questions. First question we will solve. Second question, try to solve yourself. Coordinate of point A 3, 2, minus 4. Coordinate of point B 9, 8, minus 10. And coordinate of point C is -2, -3, and 1. We have to see that whether these points are collinear or not. Solution. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be position vector of points A, B, C respectively. Therefore, A bar is equal to 3I plus 2J minus 4K. B bar is equal to 9I plus 8J minus 10K. And C bar is equal to minus 2I minus 3J plus K. Here we find AB bar and AC bar. AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar is equal to, directly we will write B bar is 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6I plus 8 minus 2 means 6J minus 10 plus 4 means minus 6K. This is equal to AB bar. That is equal to 6 in bracket I plus J minus K. Isn't it? In this way we found AB bar. Now we find AC bar is equal to C bar minus A bar. That is equal to minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5I. Then minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5J. And plus 1 plus 4. Minus minus become plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 5K. Isn't it? That is equal to 5 in bracket minus 5 in bracket. We will take minus I plus J plus minus K. Isn't it? Now we find ratio AB bar upon AC bar is equal to, AB bar is 6 in bracket I plus J minus K upon minus 5 in bracket I plus J minus K. Isn't it? Now this get cancelled, this get cancelled. Therefore, AB bar upon AC bar is equal to minus 6 by 5. Agreed? Therefore, AB bar is equal to minus 6 by 5 into AC bar. AB bar is equal to M into AC bar, where M is equal to minus 6 by 5 is equal to scalar. Here one vector is a scalar multiple of other. Here AB bar is a scalar multiple of AC bar, and point A is common. Hence, points A, B, C are collinear. In this way, we show these 3 points A, B and C are collinear. Whether these points are collinear? Yes, these 3 points are collinear, because we express one vector in terms of scalar multiple of other, as well as we have taken one point A is common. Therefore, these 3 points A, B, C are collinear, isn't it? In this way we can solve. Now try yourself. Try yourself. Second question. Coordinate of point P is 4, 5, 2. 4, 5, 2. Coordinate of point Q is 3, 2, 4. And coordinate of point R is 5, 8, 0. You have to test whether these 3 points are collinear or not. Try yourself this question, isn't it? I hope you will try this. Let us see question number 12. If the vectors 2i minus qj plus 3k and 4i minus 5j plus 6k are collinear, then find the value of q. Solution. Let a bar is equal to 2i minus qj plus 3k and b bar is equal to 4i minus 5j plus 6k. Given that a bar and b bar are collinear, let a bar is equal to m into b bar. Two vectors are collinear if one vector is a scalar multiple of other, where m is equal to scalar. Therefore, 2i minus qj plus 3k is equal to m in bracket 4i minus 5j plus 6k, isn't it? Which is equal to 4m into I minus 5m into j plus 6m into k. 2i minus qj plus 3k. equating, equating coefficient of I, j, k. We have 4m is equal to 2. Therefore, m is equal to 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. Isn't it? And also minus q is equal to 5m. Minus q is equal to 5 into 1 by 2. Minus q is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, q is equal to minus 5 by 2. In this way, we can find the value of q, isn't it? Thus, the value of q is minus 5 by 2. Let us see question number 13. Are the 4 points A 1 minus 1 1, B minus 1 1 1, C 1 1 1 and D 2 minus 3 4 coplanar? Justify your answer. Solution. Let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar be position vector of points A, B, C and D respectively. Therefore, A bar is equal to I minus j plus k. B bar is equal to minus I plus j plus k. C bar is equal to I plus j plus k, coefficient of I, j, k. And D bar is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k, isn't it? Now we find AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. Now we find AB bar, AC bar and AD bar one by one. AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar is equal to B bar minus I minus 2i, j plus j, that is 2j, 1k minus 1k, that is 0. Therefore, minus 2i plus 2j is AB bar. Now, AC bar is equal to C bar minus A bar is equal to C bar I minus I, that is 0. 0i, no need to write. J plus j, that is 2j. 1k minus k, 0k, means 2j. This is AC bar. And AD bar is equal to D bar minus A bar is equal to 2i minus I, that is I, minus 3j plus 1j, that is minus 2j. Then 4k minus 1k, that is plus 3k. In this way we found AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. If A, B, C, D are coplanar, then there exist scalars x and y such that AB bar is equal to x into AC bar plus y into AD bar. We find the value of x and y if satisfied. So put the values minus 2i plus 2j is equal to x in bracket 2j plus y in bracket I minus 2j plus 3k. Isn't it? Minus 2i plus 2j is equal to what we get here, y into I plus 2x minus 2y into j plus 3y into k, equating coefficient of I, j and k. We have y is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 and 3y is equal to 0, implies y is equal to 0. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Isn't it? From 1 and 3, y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 0. This is not possible. This is not possible. Hence, point A, B, C, D are not coplanar. In this way, we showed point A, B, C are not coplanar. Isn't it? One question is remaining. We will solve that question. Let us see last question of this exercise, that is 14 question. Express minus I minus 3j plus 4k as a linear combination of the vectors 2i plus j minus 4k, comma 2i minus j plus 3k and 3i plus j minus 2k. Solution. Let small p bar is equal to minus I minus 3j plus 4k. A bar is equal to 2i plus j minus 4k. B bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 3k and C bar is equal to 3i plus j plus minus 2k. isn't it? Suppose required linear combination linear is P bar is equal to X into A bar plus Y into B bar plus Z into C bar. That is, we have to find the value of X, Y and Z, isn't it? So, P bar is minus I minus 3J plus 4K is equal to X in bracket 2I plus J minus 4K, isn't it? Plus Y into bracket 2I minus J plus 3K plus Z into bracket 3I plus J minus 2K, isn't it? Which is equal to, comparing the coefficient, 2x plus 2y plus 3z into I plus x minus y plus z into j plus minus 4x plus 3y minus 2z into k, isn't it? This implies that 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to minus 1. Comparing the coefficient, x minus y plus z is equal to minus 3 and minus 4x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 4. These three equations we will get 1, 2 and 3. By solving these three equations, we solve this equation by using Cramer's rule. Therefore, D is equal to two, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 4, 3, minus 2. After solving this determinant, you will get the value of this determinant is equal to minus 9. You know how to solve this determinant, isn't it? I will not solve this determinant. You know how to solve this determinant. Dx is equal to minus 1, minus 3 and 4, minus 4. 4. Then 2, minus 1, 3, 3, 1, minus 2. After solving this determinant, you will get the value of this determinant is equal to minus 18. Dy is equal to, Write down 2, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 3, 1, minus 2. After solving this determinant, you will get the value of dy is equal to minus 18. Now, dz is equal to 2, 1, minus 4, 2, minus 1, 3 and minus 1, minus 3, 4. After solving this determinant, you will get the value of this determinant is equal. One we will solve here. I will show you this. 2 into bracket minus 4 plus 9 minus 2 into bracket 4 minus 12 minus 1 into bracket 3 minus 4. That is equal to 5 to the 10. 10. Here minus minus become plus. How many remaining? 8. 8 to the 16. And here what is minus 1 is remaining plus 1. Minus minus. That is equal to 27. Therefore, dz is equal to 27. Isn't it? Thus, we have d is equal to minus 9, dx is equal to minus 18, dy is equal to minus 18 and dz is equal to 27. Therefore, x is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to minus 18 upon minus 9, which is equal to 2. Y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to minus 18 upon minus 9, that is equal to 2. Z is equal to dz upon d, that is equal to 27 upon minus 9, which is equal to minus 3. Thus, required 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 linear combinations is P is equal to x into a bar plus y into b bar plus z into c bar. That is p bar. P bar is equal to, put the value, 2 into a bar plus 2 into b bar minus 3 into c bar, which is the required linear combination here. In this way, we complete exercise 5.1. Remaining we will see in coming video. Next part we will see in coming video.